Right, naming of public road 300 Crown Road subdivision. Darren, good afternoon, Darren.
Good afternoon.
You first time in the chamber, is it?
First time talking, yes.
Wow, welcome aboard. Welcome aboard. Would you like a glass of water?
I don't plan to be for too long.
I think there might be
Okay, then, right, this is a new road up in Ashford Park, somewhere around
Yes, a
there.
new industrial subdivision.
Yes.
First public road we've had for some time, so the developer gets to obviously recommend a road name, and so this one meets all relevant policy, and he's done the relevant required consultation. So yeah, take it as read, and yeah, take any questions.
Right. Any questions, Councillor Park?
Yes, thank you, Your Worship. I just received not long before the meeting started a text from Jamie the developer apologising for not being able to attend. He's been held up with another sale in the subdivision, I believe, which is fantastic. I'm happy to move this. It is partly a mechanical item, but having known the Kean family personally, I just think this is a great way to honour Joe Kean, who is a former deputy mayor, and I understand with the regulations, you know, two named roads don't really work anymore. So I think it's a wonderful thing to be able to do. So I'm happy to move it.
And I'd second it.
Cool. Well, nice comment. You've nailed it on the head there, Councillor Park. Councillor Joe Kean was 18 years of service, fantastic deputy mayor, excellent chairman. You know, Barry, you'd remember.
Yes,
Obviously, Joe.
yes.
Obviously,
I know Joe.
yeah. And of course, Joe's dad was a
Certainly know his family as well.
What's that?
I certainly know his family as well.
He started a bar in town called Safari Joe's, which some of you may recall. But anyway, we won't go down that track. But pleasure, I'm sure that Councillor Park's moved that and it's been seconded by Councillor Harvey to name this road Kean Drive. Kean Drive. Yeah. So, all those in favour, please.
Aye.
Those against? Carried. Thanks very much, Darren.
Thank you.
Appreciate your time.